Every single day, without you realizing it, your body performs one of the most complex and sophisticated processes in nature's cellular detoxification and cellular repair. These processes determine how fast you age, how strong your immune system becomes, how well your organs function, and even how clearly you can think. While detox is often portrayed as juice cleanses, quick fixes, or trendy supplements, real detox does not happen in a bottle. Real detox happens inside each of your trillions of cells, governed by biochemical pathways that have been refined over millions of years of evolution. In this video, we will explore the actual science of detox at the cellular level, how your cells identify damage, how they remove toxins, how they repair DNA, and how plant-based nutrition activates one of the most powerful biological processes ever discovered, autophagy. We will then explore the most research-supported foods for boosting cellular repair, and finally, a practical 7-day protocol you can start immediately to support detoxification and rejuvenation from within. And before we begin, if you love evidence-based content that helps you heal naturally and live longer with the power of plant science, make sure you subscribe to Plant Nutrition Science because your support helps this channel continue to grow and bring this research to millions of people around the world. Now let's dive deep into the living world inside your cells. Inside every single cell in your body there is a constant battle between damage and repair. Your mitochondria produce energy, but in the process they also generate reactive oxygen species, molecules that can damage proteins and DNA if they accumulate. Environmental toxins from air pollution, household chemicals, processed foods, and even stress hormones contribute to this internal burden. Every day, your DNA experiences tens of thousands of small injuries. Proteins become misfolded, cellular waste builds up, toxins must be neutralized, and if this damage is not repaired, it accelerates aging and increases the risk of chronic disease. To protect you, your body relies on an incredible built-in detoxification and repair system. The first pillar of this system is autophagy, meaning self-eating. This may sound a little strange, but autophagy is honestly one of the most important health mechanisms ever discovered. It is the process by which your cells identify old, dysfunctional, or damaged components and recycle them. Imagine a city that continuously repairs its roads, replaces broken equipment, and removes garbage. This is pretty much what autophagy does inside you day after day. When autophagy works well, your cells remain young, clean, and efficient. But when autophagy slows down, due to overeating, too much animal protein, chronic inflammation, or metabolic stress, damage begins to accumulate. This is where plant-based nutrition becomes so powerful because it naturally activates autophagy pathways by lowering mTOR signaling, increasing AMPK activity, and introducing polyphenols that mimic fasting signals inside the cell. Meanwhile, your liver performs its own detoxification system, using highly specialized enzymes to convert harmful compounds into safe, water-soluble molecules that can be excreted. This process happens in two major phases. Phase 1 breaks toxins down, often into more reactive intermediates. Phase 2 neutralizes those intermediates using compounds like glutathione, sulfate, and amino acids. Many plant foods directly support these pathways, which is why a plant-centered diet is associated with better metabolic resilience, reduced inflammation, and improved detoxification capacity. But detox is only half the story. The other half is DNA repair. Every moment your DNA is constantly being scanned for errors. When a break or mutation is detected, repair enzymes immediately get to work. However, these repair systems depend heavily on micronutrients, folate, polyphenols, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds that stabilize DNA and enhance repair enzymes. When your diet is rich in whole plant foods, DNA repair systems function more efficiently, helping protect against premature aging. This brings us to the heart of today's video, the plant foods with the strongest scientific evidence for enhancing cellular detox and DNA repair. One of the most powerful foods ever studied is, well, broccoli sprouts. These tiny sprouts contain extraordinary concentrations of sulforaphane, a molecule that activates the NRF2 pathway, your body's master regulator of antioxidant and detox systems. When NRF2 is activated, your cells dramatically increase their production of glutathione, detox enzymes, and DNA repair proteins. Sulforaphane has been shown in human studies to reduce oxidative stress, support liver detox enzymes, and even protect DNA from damage caused by environmental pollutants. Then there are blueberries, famous for their deep blue anthocyanins. Research shows that blueberry polyphenols can reduce DNA strand breaks, improve mitochondrial resilience, and even protect telomeres, the protective caps on your chromosomes that shorten as you age. Diets high in berries have been linked to slower cognitive aging and improved neurological repair. Next we have green tea, which is honestly one of the most scientifically studied beverages on Earth. Green tea contains EGCG, a polyphenol with some remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. EGCG activates autophagy, supports mitochondrial repair, and enhances DNA repair enzymes. Drinking green tea regularly has been associated with better immune function, reduced oxidative damage, and improved metabolic health. Turmeric offers another layer of protection. Curcumin, its active compound, reduces chronic inflammation and protects cells from oxidative stress. It improves the efficiency of detox enzymes and increases pathways related to cellular defense. Although curcumin needs fat and black pepper for proper absorption, even small daily amounts can influence repair pathways over time. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contribute something essential: folate, a vitamin required for DNA methylation and DNA synthesis. Without folate, cells cannot divide properly or repair DNA efficiently. Leafy greens also contain chlorophyll, magnesium, and antioxidants that support cellular detoxification. Then there is pomegranate, a fruit with unique properties. When its polyphenols interact with your gut bacteria, they produce a compound called urolithin A, one of the most powerful natural substances for enhancing mitophagy, the process by which cells recycle damaged mitochondria. Strong mitochondrial function is, absolutely essential for longevity, energy production, and detoxification. These foods work synergistically to boost cellular repair, but honestly, knowledge is only powerful when applied, which is why I want to give you a simple 7-day cellular renewal protocol based on peer-reviewed research. On day 1, focus on high green meals. Eat large servings of spinach, kale, or arugula, and drink green tea throughout the day. This boosts folate, chlorophyll, and polyphenols to kickstart your renewal cycle. On day 2, it's important to emphasize cruciferous vegetables like broccoli sprouts, bok choy, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. This activates NRF2 and supports glutathione production, which really enhances your detox pathways. On day 3, you want to flood your cells with antioxidants by eating about 1 to 2 cups of mixed berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, or blackberries. These antioxidants help protect your DNA from oxidative stress. On day 4, try to incorporate a gentle fasting window of 12 to 14 hours, and you can support this with green tea or turmeric tea. This is honestly one of the simplest ways to activate autophagy naturally. On day 5, you'll want to focus on feeding your gut microbiome with fiber-rich foods like lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and whole grains. When your gut bacteria thrive, they produce short-chain fatty acids that support immune function, detoxification, and cellular repair. On day 6, shift your attention to orange and red vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, red peppers, and tomatoes. These provide carotenoids that support immune signaling and reduce inflammation. And finally, on day 7, nourish your cells with healthy plant fats and minerals from chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. fats strengthen cell membranes, reduce chronic inflammation, and provide critical nutrients like zinc and magnesium, both essential for DNA stability. After 7 days, you will notice higher energy, clearer thinking, better digestion, and lighter inflammation. And if you continue these habits long-term, you support your body's natural detoxification systems every single day. Your cells are constantly working for you. They detoxify, repair, renew, and protect you. All you have to do is give them the environment and the nutrition they need to do their job. If you found this video helpful and want more deep science content on longevity, plant-based healing, and cellular nutrition, please subscribe to Plant Nutrition Science. Your engagement, liking the video, leaving a comment, or sharing it, helps bring evidence-based information to more people around the world. It means so much to me and helps this channel grow sustainably. Thank you for watching. Take care of your cells, and they will take care of you. See you in the next video.